What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Cora. Today, I will be unboxing and reviewing Maono AU-A04 podcasting microphone. So, let's get started. Alright guys, so unang-una gusto lang po muna naming magpasalamat kay kumparing Dabog dahil binigyan niya kami ng chance para ma-experience, ma-unbox at makita for the first time itong microphone kit na ito. Ayan, makikita nyo naman guys sa itsura pa lang, sa packaging pa lang, sobrang solid na at sobrang ganda na. First time namin magkaroon ng ganitong microphone, podcasting microphone kasi yung una naming in-unbox at ni-review rin namin na na microphone, yung streaming microphone, yung BM800 na very common lalo na sa mga YouTube live streamers. Yan, ginagamit din naman yun sa mga game streaming pero iba kasi to, branded siya at saka first time namin ding may experience to. Ang special feature kasi nito is for podcasting kaya in-expect ko na maganda talaga yung quality nito. Pero malalaman pa rin namin since gagawa namin ng comparison, yan, audio comparison versus doon sa BM800 namin and then ito. Pati na rin yung comparison ng lagi kong ginagamit na itong lapel mic na Boya. Ever since ito na yung ginagamit ko. Pero kasi minsan kapag kailangan lang ng audio recording, ginagamit ko lagi yung BM800 which is ganito din siya. Ang kaibahan lang kasi nun, so syempre iba ng brand at yon ay walang filter. The best thing about this as well, kasi complete package na po siya. Okay, meron na siyang pop filter and pati yung mga accessories niya nandito na kasama sa box niya. So, by the way, punta muna tayo sa unboxing.
The box is quite a weight. Hindi siya basta-basta box lang. Maganda din ang combination ng color black and yellow. Up front ay makikita mo kaagad ang brand with logo, name of the product model, and as well as the picture of the microphone kit. Up at the top ay mapapansin mo ang mga highlights ng microphone na ito which are higher resolution sampling rate up to 192 kHz over 24-bit, cardioid polar pattern, professional sound chipset, USB 2.0 plug and play, compatible with Windows, Linux, Chrome, PS4, and Mac OS, 16mm diameter mic capsule, full metal casing, and boom arm stud included for easy to set up. There are more at the bottom side of the box. It will show you some diagrams about frequency response, polar pattern, and how the kit should look like when assembled. As you can see, the microphone should be facing downwards or upwards and not forward. You'll also notice a table with the complete specs of the microphone, the description, and the barcode. So, let's open it up. Wow! Look at that black foam keeping the pop filter and the microphone foam in place and safe. Meron itong manual na may iba't ibang language so advantage ito sa mga buyers worldwide. These pop filter and foam mic windstream are to eliminate the background noise and efficiently reduce the plosive, wind interference, and saliva spraying. Oh, it was the first layer! The bottom layer are where more of the kit with another black foam to keep them in place and secure. That is just so awesome. We got an adjustable scissor arm stand. By the looks of it and the build, it is really sturdy. This is the metal shock mount. It has quite a weight than our previous shock mount. We have a table mounting clamp or C-clamp. I can tell this is really solid. Of course, the USB Type-B to USB Type-A cable, which is, I think, better than with the audio jack. It is 98 inches cable with a magnet ring. This is absolutely plug and play. Finally, the Maono AU-A04 microphone. It's well built. I like it being plain black rather than a gold-plated microphones. This is very handy and compact. Its microphone core is 16 mm condenser and has 192 kHz over 24-bit high-resolution sampling rate. This microphone is perfectly used for meeting, recording, gaming, dubbing, broadcasting, podcasting, and much more. So be sure to check it out.
Alright guys, so nakita nyo na ang laman ng ating box at nakita nyo na rin kung gaano siya ka-solid. So ngayon, ipapakita namin sa inyo kung paano namin siya i-set up. At tsaka pati na rin po yung comparison ng ating mga sounds dahil doon natin makikita kung talaga bang worth it ba itong ating Maono. Pwede kayong bumili nito online. Ito ay worth 3,000 plus shipping fee. At malalaman natin ngayon kung worth it ba yung price na ito sa quality niya. So, punta tayo sa setup and sa comparison. So, what's up guys? Nandito na ako sa harap ng aming desktop kung saan natin gagawin yung audio comparison ng ating mga microphone. So, ang audio na to, by the way, na naririnig nyo is as always, yung eto munang Boya, which is yung pinaka-default na microphone na ginagamit ko. So, ang setup namin is eto munang, for example, like this one, ito yung aming pinakaunang BM800 na streaming microphone. Ito yung wire niya, yung kanyang cable. Ayan, diretso sa ating PC. So, yan. Ganyan yung setup niya guys. So, wala namang masyadong ibang gagawin. Bukod sa isi-setup lang itong kanyang adjustable scissor stand na meron din naman yung isa nating microphone ng Maono. Ganun lang din yung gagawin namin dito. Bali, pag isi-switch lang namin itong microphone para makabuo tayo ng comparison. So, magsa-start na akong mag-record. Kung nakikita nyo naman sa aking screen ay okay na at ready na ang ating app na pang-record ng ating audio.
Mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test. So, ang audio na tong naririnig nyo ay ang audio quality ng ating BM800. Again, mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3.
Okay guys, so ang next setup natin ngayon ay yung setup ng ating Maono. Ayan, ini-switch lang namin yung microphone. Ayan, nakikita nyo yung logo na Maono, I'm sorry. So, same lang naman yun guys. Ito yung kanyang cable, which is, ang difference nitong cable niya ay siya ay USB 2.0. So, napapansin nyo guys na nakatayo siyang ganyan kasi ideally, nakatayo dapat siya itong ating microphone para mas okay yung audio quality ng maipoproduce niya. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test. Ang audio na naririnig nyo ngayon ay ang audio quality ng ating Maono microphone. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, so yung ating last na setup ngayon ay ang ating Boya Lapel mic na yung lagi kong ginagamit. So nakasaksak na siya direct sa ating computer. Ayan, nandito sa ating audio port. So same yung aking gagawin, magre-record ako ng video. And by the way, yung naririnig nyo ngayon, which is I know, nag-e-echo na yan. Ito yung audio quality ng yung walang mic. Ito yung sa cellphone lang. Yung sa cellphone na ginagamit namin pang video, walang accessory, walang mic at all. Yung built-in niya na mic ng iPhone X na cellphone. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Ang audio na naririnig nyo ngayon ay ang audio quality ng Boya Lapel mic. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. So that's it guys. Kayo na lang ang humusga dahil alam ko namang iba-iba tayo ng preference ng audio quality. Kung ang bet nyo ba ay itong, kung bet nyo pa rin ba ang mag-lapel, ang mag-Maono, or mag-BM800. Pero nasa sa inyo pa rin yun. Ako kasi may personal na akong bet, kaya depende na rin yun sa inyo. So, that's it for today. Again, I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for all notifications. Please follow us on our Facebook page, Unboxing and Everything, and our Twitter account, Unboxing E. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you again on my next video. Bye! Love ya!